Hey guys, this is Gear Blog. Today, we are taking a deep dive into 5 premium EDC folding knives from Kansept. No talking heads, just hands-on testing and detailed breakdowns of every design material and performance. Let us get into it. First up is the Kansept QTRO, a bold, modern design built for heavy-duty performance. Let's start with the handle. It has a titanium frame wrapped in copper-infused carbon fiber. The pattern is like topographic maps, with copper veins running through the black carbon. It is visually striking and provides excellent grip, even when your hands are sweaty or oily. The star of the show is the crossbar lock. Unlike traditional locks, this system uses a solid bar that slides into place to lock the blade open. To deploy, you press the button on the handle, and the blade flicks open smoothly. To close, you slide the bar back with your thumb. It's incredibly secure. I've put a lot of pressure on the blade, and there's zero play. The 4.56-inch LMAX blade is a Wharncliffe shape, which means a straight cutting edge and a thick spine for strength. LMAX is a premium powder steel known for exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. This is a blade that can handle heavy use, cutting wood, opening boxes, even light prying tasks without chipping. At 4.6 ounces, it's a substantial knife, so it's ideal for those who want an indestructible tool. It is a full production piece, with solid build quality, ready for regular heavy carry. Next up is the Kansept Baku, a design that balances luxury and function right out of the box. Starting with the handle, it has a full titanium frame with a hand-inlaid Damascus panel. Look at how the light catches those swirling blue and purple patterns. It's not just decorative. The textured surface adds just enough grip without being abrasive. For deployment, you've got 2 options: a smooth flipper tab and a large thumb hole. The bearing system is so smooth, it flicks open with almost no effort, and the liner lock engages with a solid click that tells you it is secure. The 3.2-inch S35VN blade is a classic drop point shape. S35VN is a workhorse steel. It holds an edge really well, is easy to sharpen, and resists corrosion better than many budget steels. I've been slicing cardboard, opening packages, and cutting paracord with it for weeks, and the edge is still sharp enough to split hair. At 3.35 ounces, it's got a substantial feel in the hand, but the slim profile means it carries well in a jeans pocket. The titanium clip is low profile and holds the knife deep in your pocket, so it doesn't snag or print. If you value premium materials and a smooth, reliable action, the Baku is hard to beat. The only trade-off is the higher price point, but you repaying for top-tier craftsmanship that will last for years. Next is the Kansept Nettle, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Let's start with the handle. It's made from aluminum with a diamond texture pattern. This pattern is grippy, even when your hands are wet, and it's lightweight. The whole knife only weighs 2.1 ounces, making it one of the lightest options here. The aluminum is also durable, so it won't scratch or dent easily. Deployment is via a thumb stub, which flicks open smoothly with a single hand. The blade is a reverse tanto, shape made from 154 cm steel. 154 cm is a classic stainless steel that's easy to sharpen and resists corrosion well, making it a great choice for everyday carry. The reverse tanto blade is versatile. The sharp point is perfect for piercing tasks like opening packages or poking holes in plastic, while the straight edge is great for slicing. I've been using it to cut paracord, open mail, and even slice vegetables, and it's held up surprisingly well. The liner lock is secure, and the blade locks open with no play. At an accessible price point, it's a great entry point into premium EDC knives. The only trade-off is that 154 cm doesn't hold an edge as long as higher-end steels, so you'll need to sharpen it a bit more often. Next is the Kansept Goblin, a tiny powerhouse designed to be your always carry knife. First, the size. It's only 5.6 inches total, with a 2.18-inch blade, and it weighs just 2.4 ounces. This is a knife that disappears in your pocket. I've been carrying it in the fifth pocket of my jeans for weeks, and I barely notice it's there. The handle is titanium with a beautiful compass engraving, which adds a subtle nautical touch without being too flashy. The texture is smooth, but the shape is contoured to fit your hand, so it's surprisingly grippy for such a small knife. Deployment is where the Goblin shines. It has 3 ways to open it: a flipper tab, a thumb hole, and a nail nick. The flipper is quick and intuitive, while the thumb hole is great for one-handed use when you in a hurry. The blade is a Wharncliffe, shape made from S35VN steel. Even though it's small, it's surprisingly capable. I've used it to open boxes, cut tags, and even slice fruit, and it holds an edge just as well as larger blades. The frame lock is solid, and the blade locks open with no play, which is impressive for such a compact design. If you hate carrying bulky knives, but still want a reliable tool for everyday tasks, the Goblin is perfect. The only limitation is the small blade. It's not meant for heavy-duty work, but for 90% of what most people need, it's more than enough. Last is the Kansept Little Main Street, a sleek, minimalist design that's all about understated elegance. The handle is a full titanium frame with a satin finish, which is smooth and refined. There are no fancy engravings or inlays, just clean lines and a slim profile. It's the lightest knife here at just 2 ounces, and it's so thin that it barely prints in your pocket. Deployment is via a thumb stub, which flicks open smoothly. The blade is a 2.26-inch drop point made from S35VN steel. The drop point shape is classic and versatile. It's great for slicing, has a strong tip for piercing, and is easy to control. The frame lock is solid and secure, and the blade locks open with no play. I've been carrying this knife every day for weeks, and it's become my go-to. It's so light and slim that I forget it's there, but it's always ready when I need it. If you value minimalism and premium materials, the Little Main Street is perfect. The only downside is that it doesn't have a flipper tab, so deployment is a bit slower, but the clean aesthetic and lightweight carry make it worth it. Let's break down which one fits your needs. Luxury and premium feel. Baku, Damascus inlay, and S35VN steel make it the most visually striking option. Heavy-duty performance. QTRO, Elmax steel and crossbar lock are built for tough tasks. Max portability. Goblin or Little Main Street. Tiny, light, and perfect for 5th pocket carry. Budget-friendly. Nettle, great value with 154 cm steel and a grippy aluminum handle. My top overall pick is the Little Main Street. It balances minimalism, premium materials, and everyday utility perfectly. Thanks for watching. All links to these knives are in the description below. Let me know which one you pick up in the comments. See you next time.